alright.
Hi guys, welcome to another video. My name is Jessie and today we'll be doing a video on unboxing, setting up and reviewing my new ring light. So I received my ring light today. It's this one right here. Brand I purchased is Embellir. So it's 19 inch. So I went for a really big one. Alright, so we're going to be setting this up. Now, this model I purchased from Catch of the Day, and when I purchased it, it was on sale. It was $133, although I did check today and it was $199.99 on Catch, so the price actually went up. I don't know why. It was also available at Dick Smith, but I checked the website today as well and it said it was actually sold out. But there are other places online that you can actually purchase this. So I do feel really lucky that I was actually able to get one. Now the reason I chose this brand over some of the other brands is because a lot of people are getting the Neewer one, which is on Amazon. There were so many mixed reviews on it, so I couldn't decide, and I saw this available in some department stores like Maya, Dick Smith, so it made me feel a little bit more comfortable purchasing something that was in a department store rather than just online on Amazon. And here we are. I decided to get it because prior to this I was using a little portable light. It was really good, really bright, but it has to be charged pretty much all the time. It only lasts about 20 to 30 minutes at a time, and it was portable, so I could take that outside when I was filming. But I did want something at home because I didn't want to rely on the weather. Like, as you guys can see, a lot of my videos I'm right next to the window just for that natural lighting, which is great. When it's dark and it's raining, I just don't film, and I thought that was a lot of missed opportunities, and I actually just wanted a ring light so that I can do my videos whenever I wanted. Okay, so we're going to get started on the unboxing. Comes in little boxes. And this must be a light. Get rid of this. The stand. Okay, so this must be the stand. Ooh. Amazing, it comes with a case, so it looks like it's quite portable. Empty. Wow, this is pretty big. Here it is. Does look pretty big. What else do we have? So we have this bag here, and that's it. That's all the items in the package. Looks fairly straightforward, I think. Did it come with the instructions? It didn't come with instructions. Okay, we can do this. So, power cable, you know what that is. Just another one. Adapter. So that goes in here. put that aside. Okay, so these are all the items inside the parcel. You've got a little screw thing. This, you can move that around, so I'm assuming it's a camera stand. The ring light itself, power adapter, and the tripod. So that's everything. I'm gonna try set it up now. So the tripod has all these screws at the bottom, which you can adjust the height. No, I'm pretty sure it goes this way. Okay, I'm confused. How does it stand? I'm confused. I'm gonna grab a picture of it and have a look at what it looks like. Okay, so I had a bit of a technical difficulty because the tripod is meant to stand like that, and then this is meant to be up, but it's facing down. So all you had to do was just pull it down and it reverses into this direction. Okay, that was not that hard. And then we just tighten it here. Right now it looks like this is detachable. Yep, so this is the mobile phone holder. And then this one would be for your camera. You can switch them around. So put this one on. Okay, so that looks like it goes into here. And then we screw the back in. Cool. So this came with it, but I don't know if this is a spare or if it's meant to go somewhere. And these two pieces fell out somewhere. So I don't know, but it looks like it's standing. Now just the power, I'm going to test it. It's working. You can dim it, brighten it, and this changes the coloring. Alright, let's see what it looks like on the digital camera. Okay, so this is what it looks like with only natural light. I'm right next to the window. It's a huge window, but it's gloomy outside today. And then this is what it looks like with the ring light. So this is on the white color. This is on a slightly more orange setting. You've got the full yellow, orange setting. Right, I'm going to take this to somewhere really dark where it's not outside the window, just so you can see the difference. I changed my mind. Instead of moving it around, I'm just going to put the blinds down, and then it's going to be really dark. Alright, so the blinds are down. This is the room, what it looks like in the daytime without any natural light. Whoa, that is bright. This is on the highest setting, white. This one is halfway between white and orange. Then you've got the full orange one. So all in all, I'm really happy with the product. It gave me a tripod. I can set it up, take it anywhere. It's quite light and portable. Fairly easy to set up, even though it didn't come with instructions, which I wish it did, but it was pretty straightforward. For someone that doesn't know anything about technology like myself, this one was quite easy to do. I'm happy with the brightness of it. I like how you can adjust the colors of it without actually putting those plastic sheets on like some of the other ring lights. It's really user-friendly. It's quite sturdy as well, so it's not wobbly. I don't feel like it's just gonna tumble over. I think it's great. Good investment. Definitely get it if you are going to be taking photos, if you're going to be filming. The little pieces that I couldn't work out where it went, it was actually just to go into the section where I attach my camera. This is great. Really happy with it. I don't have to rely on the weather anymore to film for you guys. I don't have to carry my little baby light around and charge it every single day. I can hold a camera rather than just a smartphone, which is exactly what I needed. I needed something heavy enough, sturdy enough to hold a digital camera. I love that it comes with a carry bag so I can take it around. It's dimmable, changes color. I do rate this 10 out of 10. So I'm going to end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please like and subscribe, turn on notifications, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye now.
Whenever I'm with you, I am alright.